Good morning, friends. We are discussed about IR spectroscopy, vibrational levels, and harmonic and anharmonic oscillators. Now we are discuss the important vibrational frequencies for the organic compounds. Here we can see the table. Here wave number in centimeter and possible functional groups or modes. Here first is the for hydrogen oxygen hydrogen bond. Here bond and strong sharp with two peaks. Here the for oxygen hydrogen bond stretching frequency is uh, 32502 to 3650, or for amine group or NH. And second is the for carbon hydrogen stretching bond. Here the wave number is 3300, or we can see the table. Now we can see the uh, CH stretching frequency for alkynes, or Fermi resonance for double bond, and the carboxylic and carboxylic amla, the oxygen hydrogen stretching bond for this wave number is 2500 to 3000, and C triple bond C triple bond C, the value for wave numbers 2200, and carbonyls compounds, carbon oxygen stretching band is 1690 to 1850. The order of wave number we can see in this table. And now we are discuss about C double bond and stretching band and other is C double bond C double and CH bonding. Then IR frequencies of substituted benzene ring. We can see the monosubstituted and and polysubstituted. The value of wave number we can see factor affecting of the vibrational frequencies in centimeter. For example, carbonyl compounds, the formaldehyde have 1750 centimeter inverse, and aldehyde, and then ketones, the value of wave number of vibrational energy is decreasing. Then coupled vibration. Next is coupled vibration. In the IR spectroscopy, symmetric and antisymmetric vibrations of a group are collectively called coupled vibration. Asymmetric stretching vibrations occurs at higher frequency than symmetric stretching vibrations. For example, amine, NO2. Now we are discussed fingerprint region. What is the fingerprint region? The region of IR spectrum in between 667 to 1500 centimeter inverse is called fingerprint region. In this region, absorption bands are mainly arise due to bending vibrations. Two different compounds never shows identical peaks in this region, even they have same functional group. For example, in these isomers, geometrical isomers shows higher nu CO frequencies. In the cinnamic acid, we can see cis and trans, two isomers, 1750 5 centimeter, and trans have 1680 centimeter. Steric hindrance are the in these example. So cis have more vibrational frequency comparison trans. And we can see hydrogen bonding. The hydrogen bonding affect the vibration frequency region. Intramolecular and intermolecular hydrogen bonding can be distinguished as absorption band for oxygen hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding shifted towards higher value of nu bar, and intermolecular hydrogen bonding no shift in on addition of non-polar solvent like calcium, tetrachlorocalcium. इसी एन एब्जॉर्प्शन बैंड 4 OH बैंड इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग एब्जॉर्प्शन बैंड शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स लोअर न्यूबार एंड intermolecular hydrogen bonding, no shift in absorption band. Like this Fermi resonance on fundamental bands 1 over plus 1 overtone mixed yield two bands first over and first band and second band difference like 100 centimeter is called Fermi resonance. For example, fundamental band for CO2, two bands, two peaks are found in CO2, and these called are Fermi resonance.